Well, hello. So I thought I would show you how to live stream to multiple platforms at the same time. And of course, you can do that with things like Restream or whatever. But I find it easier to do it in OBS Studio directly because you get some extra quality and functionality. And I don't know if this actually works with Streamlabs OBS or whatever. Because this works with OBS Studio. So the first thing you kind of need is a plugin. And yeah, I put the link to it in the video description. Called OBS Multi RTMP. And you scroll down a little bit here until you get to assets here. And use the Windows x64 installer.exe. So you click on it to download it. You install it. And then you go into OBS Studio. And when it's installed, you will get a dock. I kind of minimized it. It's called multiple output. So first things first. First you need to set up, of course, OBS, the regular settings. So you have the settings button here. And then you go to the stream on the left here. I only use this specific computer to record for YouTube. I use a different computer to stream. So I haven't set up Twitch here yet, or I won't. But basically the service, you select Twitch here, and you connect your Twitch account here. So you log in and stuff like that. And then, of course, you need to select also this this server for that is closest to where you live. And then you go to output over here. And as you can see, it's grayed out right now, some options, and that's because I'm actually recording right now. But by default, at the top here, it says simple. So you click on it and select advanced. And then you have the streaming tab over here. And I suggest you use a function called Twitch VOD track. Well, let's skip that for now at least. Because then I need to show you some other stuff, how to do that. But over here in the encoder, video encoder, you select the NVIDIA NVENC. If you got an NVIDIA card, don't rescale the output. Down in the encoder settings, you select CBR, and that's constant bitrate. And the bitrate itself, well, if you're going to stream 1080p, I suggest you go above 4000. The maximum you can stream to Twitch is 6000 kilobits per second, or 6 megabits. So it depends on your upload, how much you can actually stream. So I use the maximum. And of course you need to set up the keyframe and the preset and stuff. You can copy this if you want to. Just set it up like I have. And then you go to the video settings, and maximum I recommend to Twitch and Kick is 1080p. And you can see these are grayed out at the moment because I am recording. But yeah, you set both the canvas and the scale to the same resolution, 1080p. It's 1920 by 1080. And of course you need to set up the FPS. So you need to do this first. And when you're done here, you will choose this multiple output. So this right now you just set up the first platform to stream to, and now you need to set up the other platforms, and you do that over here. So you click the add new target, and you can name it, for example, Kick. And then you need the URL and the stream key. And for those you need to go into your Twitch account, and you need to go to your sort of dashboard. The same thing with Twitch. So this is Kick. And on the left side here, you got the settings. You click on that, and then you select the stream key. Here you got the URL and the stream key. So you just click the button here on the right to copy that. And then you paste that in over here. And then the stream key, you copy that too. And paste that in over here. And you can leave everything by default here because it says right now get from OBS on both the video and audio. And that's perfectly fine if you want to use that. So every setting and the scenes and everything will be the same on both platforms. One thing that I recommend you choose if you're going to have multiple platforms is to sync start with OBS. So what will happen here is that when you press OK here, so when you press start streaming here, it will also automatically start the stream to Kick. So you don't have to press start on every single one of them. You just click start in OBS and it will automatically stream to every other platform. And of course, you can add a new target here, for example, YouTube. You can name this YouTube. And you do the same thing here, put the streaming server link or URL here and stream key. Sync start with OBS. Okie dokie. Now we got Kick and YouTube over here. One thing that I do though with Kick, and this is somewhat some extra tweaks. For example, Twitch, the maximum bitrate you can use is 6,000 kilobits per second. With Kick, it's 8,000. You can stream 8,000 at Twitch as well, but you need to be partner or affiliate for that. I'm not too sure about affiliate, but I know you need to be at least a partner to stream at 8,000 on Twitch. So let it be on 6,000, but on Kick, everyone can stream at 8,000. So I click modify here. And instead of just getting it from OBS, I select this next option here called NVIDIA NVEnc, the Jim_NVEnc. And the scenes, I let that be the same as I get from OBS. Resolution 1920 times 1080. And no spaces here between the numbers. And then I basically just change CBR, should be the same. Then I change the bitrate to 8,000. Key interval to 2. I can pull this up a little bit. Preset P6. Quarter full resolution. And then I leave the rest as it is. That's the difference. Now it will be streaming 8 megabits to Kick. And of course I leave the audio as it is. I don't change that. What about the frames per second, the FPS? Well, it will automatically take that from OBS settings. So if you set it to 60 FPS, it will be 60 and so on. So you can only set the resolution and bitrate here and stuff. Okay. And of course you can do the same with YouTube. You can do the same here. And you can stream like, let's see, 15,000 to YouTube if you want to. Yeah. That's how you actually stream. So if you want to stream right now, since you set the start to sync with the OBS, the only button you need to press right now is the start streaming, and it will automatically start to stream to the other platforms as well. Same thing when you want to stop, you just click stop here and everything else will also stop. So yeah, that is how you set it up in 10 minutes. Yeah, catch you later.